Hi there, I'm Jolene. I'm going to be sharing with you about a product from Fancy. This is the Amelia. This is an LED facial and body massager. I don't know about you, but the older I get, the more I realize how much I need to take care of my skin. Every year I notice new changes and I have really got to stay on top of it. So the Amelia has been really wonderful, is a great little tool. I'm going to share with you all about it and exactly how to use it. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do when you get your Amelia is use the USB cord that it comes with and go ahead and get it plugged in so you can get a full charge. Before you begin using the device, just make sure that your skin is clean, dry, and free of any makeup. I do like to use a little bit of water-soluble moisturizer or serum on my skin. It just helps to get the Amelia to glide over your skin a little easier. Then go ahead and grab the Amelia manual. This is going to tell you everything that you need to know for this device. It's going to help you decide on which things that are going to work best for you. So make sure that you take a look at that and refer back to it as you use the device. These technologies are all fully backed by science. Let me tell you about them. EMS reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and enhances muscle tone. Radio frequency tightens skin and stimulates collagen. Light therapy can help with skin texture and even acne. The massage function is great because not only is it super relaxing, but it helps improve blood circulation. Now go ahead and press the power button. This automatically begins with the red light therapy mode. Press it again, and it goes to yellow, blue light, purple light, and then a flashing purple light. Let's turn it back to red. This is the lowest speed setting. You can change the speed by pressing this button twice, and that goes to medium. And now let's hit it to high. There's your high massage. Press it one more time, and that changes these to red. So press it again, you can go to medium. Whenever these are red, that means that you are in the 4-in-1 mode. So that is your massage, your light therapy, your EMS, and your RF all in one. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. And then anytime you want to turn it off completely, you're just gonna hold that button down for just a second, and there it goes. Now once you're all set in the load that you want, use this little loop to put your middle finger through, and that is the perfect handle. It makes it so comfortable to hold, and you feel like you're really in control of the device. Now you can begin by using it on your skin. You want to massage in like a circular motion, plus it is relaxing. It feels so good. I just pulled my hair up so I can use this on the back of my neck without having to worry about my hair. I'm gonna do the blue light. Blue light fights acne-causing bacteria and reduces oil production that leads to clogged pores with blue light therapy. I'm gonna switch it back over to the red light. I'm gonna do that on my chest. I have a lot of sun damage. The red light improves your skin's appearance by stimulating collagen production and rejuvenating your skin cells. Now, if you have long hair, be sure that you keep it far away from the Amelia just so it doesn't get tangled, because that would hurt. This treats wrinkles, redness, acne, scars, and other signs of aging to produce smooth, supple skin. Good with my crow's feet. And it also gets me relaxed and ready for bed. I love using the Amelia on my legs to promote blood circulation and toning of my skin. It even helps with cellulite. How amazing is that? You'll want to use your Amelia at least 3 times a week. You really want to try to stay as consistent as you can. I love having such an amazing, versatile device. It's totally safe, it's painless, and it's very effective. I love having the ability to heal and treat my skin in the comfort of my own home. No downtime, no recovery. It is just so simple with just minutes a day. Well, that ends the tutorial for the Amelia by Fancy. I hope you definitely check it out. I am just in love with this thing, so definitely give it a try. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you learned some things, and I hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.